Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to set up your driving monitor on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so let's start. First open up the settings and here scroll down until you see the digital well-being and part-on controls. Let's press on that. And here if we scroll down we will be able to see the driving monitor, so let's just press it. And here just go through the setup with me and on your phone. As you can see, you can right away you can add the excluded apps to your driving monitor. For example, I want to exclude the Chrome app, Google Chrome, and just press start. And that's pretty much it. If you want to adjust the apps here for the exclusion ones, just press these little three dots in the upper right corner and just choose excluded apps, and the process will look exactly the same as in the setup. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.